Hello everyone, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my latest beauty find from Sephora. I picked up two of the most hyped Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadows and I can't wait to show you how amazing they are. These are the two eyeshadows that I picked up. One is Space Cowboy and the other is Cosmic. Look at the packaging. They come in a transparent square plastic box that's quite sturdy. It's good quality plastic where you can see the shades through the packaging. And these are gorgeous just on its own and gives a beautiful wet look. On the back, there are details like the shade name and the weight, which is 1.8 grams, along with other information like the shelf life. As a busy mom, I was on the lookout for an easy-to-use eyeshadow and I found the perfect one. These eyeshadows are perfect for moms like me. It's soft, long-lasting and gives that gorgeous wet look finish effortlessly. Now let's open the eyeshadow in the shade Cosmic. Wow! It's a beautiful white silver glitter. It's amazing for highlighting the brow bone and inner corners of the eyes. You can also use this eyeshadow as a topper to add an extra sparkle to your eye makeup. It looks amazing. Let me swatch it for you. Ow! Look at that smooth application. See that wet look? It's beautiful and the sparkles are very subtle and mesmerizing. Next up, let's open Space Cowboy. This one definitely has some color to it. It's described as a light champagne gold with silver sparkle. And this actually has a warmer base, almost like an orangey nude base. The shimmer is very cool toned. In some lights, it doesn't look like shimmer at all. When it catches the light, it has this almost twinkly reflect to it. It's very pretty. Let me swatch for you guys. See that beautiful light orangish tint? It's stunning. It has such a soft application and can be used directly on your lids or as a topper over other eye makeup. This particular shade can be used on the lid. It's like you did a full eye makeup, but it takes less than a minute. I just love how it gives that perfect wet look finish. Both shades have a fantastic formula. They are long lasting and apply so smoothly. I'm really impressed with how versatile and beautiful these eyeshadows are. Particularly Space Cowboy is a lifesaver. Whether you're rushing out the door or just want a quick glam look, Space Cowboy is a lifesaver. I can now understand why it goes viral so many times. It's easy, stunning and super simple, just one and done. It's better to use a primer when you apply it on its own on the lids to get that more twinkly, long-lasting effect, or if you want a more intense look. That's pretty much everything. It's worth the hype. I think it's stunning. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this first impressions video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.